Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam Tatha Dehantara Prapti Dehinasmin Jathade. This is the first understanding of knowledge. But people do not understand that within the body there is soul. They are so full. Therefore they have been described in the Shastra, Sayava Gokhar. This class of men, they are no better than the cows and the asses. So you cannot become happy in the assembly of some animals. Therefore people are so much disturbed at the present moment. There is no sober life, zero. If you want peaceful life in the society, then you must accept this program, Chaturvarnam Mayasishta. There must be Brahminical class of men, Kshatriya class of men, Vaishya class of men. The Vaishya, generally we understand Vaishya means the mercantile class of men. No. At the present moment, the so-called Vaishyas are Shudras, less than Shudras. Why? Vaishya's business is Krishi Goraksha Vanijam Vaishya Karma Svabha. The Vaishyas must be engaged in producing food grains, but they are not interested. They are interested in opening factories for bolts and nuts and tires. Goodwill tires, Goodyear tires. Now eat tire and bolt nut. Now you cannot eat. You have to eat rice, and rice is 10 rupees per kilo. That's all. Because no Vaishya is producing food grain. This is the defect. They don't see the defect. They simply howling, bawling. Oh, it has increased price. Why not increase price? There are millions of people in Bombay city who is producing food grain, but they are known as Vaishya. What kind of Vaishya? There is no Brahminical culture, there is no brain. There is no Kshatriya who can give you protection. There are so many defects. So, if you want to remodel your life, the society, the human society, nationally or internationally, everything is spoken here international. Then you have to take to the advice of Krishna. This is the purpose of Krishna consciousness movement. Wholesale, thorough overhauling of the human society. We have not manufactured anything, concocted things. It is very scientific. If you actually want to fulfill the mission of your life, then you have to take to this advice of Bhagavad Gita. Very scientific and spoken by the Supreme Personality of Godhead without any defects. If I speak something, there may be so many defects because I am imperfect. Every one of us is imperfect. We commit mistake. To err is human. There is no human being who can say boldly that I never committed any mistake. That is not possible. You must commit mistake. And sometimes we are illusion, pramam, that we are all. Because we are accepting this body as I am, which I am not. This is called pramam. Brahm pramam. Then vipralipsa. I have got Brahm. I commit mistake. I am bewildered. I am illusion. Still, I am taking the position of teacher. That is cheating. If you are defective, if you have got so many defects in your life, how you can become teacher? You are a cheater. Nobody is teacher. Because without being perfect, how you can become teacher? So this is going on.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.